Okay, let's look at the statistics part of this paper too. I think it was pretty nice. It was pretty straightforward. Here you have this table. It's all about rugby nations and the number of wins and the number of tries they have over a number of years. Anyways, there's all the countries. There's the wins. There's the tries. And all you do is you go to your calculator, and since they ask for the line of least regression, you know it's that a plus bx thing. So you just put in all those x values, you put in all those y values, you hit an AC and clear, and then go shift stat and regression, and all these things come up. Turns out that a is equal to 4.148, b is equal to 5.638, so you can say y is equal to 4.15 plus 5.64 x, and because there's your A and there's your B. Since it's a line of best, if somebody put 4.2 and 5.6, but if you're going to get it right, I'm going to mark it right because it suits the purposes of a pretty accurate line through these points. Then they ask you to predict. They asked you to make a prediction for if X is equal to 15. So what would happen for a country that had 15 wins? What would you predict for the number of tries? And all you do is take 15 and put it in for X. And you get 88 point, or actually, I guess that's the number of, anyways, that's the X value, and you predict, you make a prediction with it, and it's going to give you the number of wins. I guess it's the number of tries. For 15 tries, you put it in, you'll get the number of wins. And you get 88.75, but you go, oh, that's, you got to round it off to the nearest win. So it's 89 wins. So there you go. There's the prediction. The next question, wow, it's got all this capacity down here, the attendance capacity of stadiums. And there they are. You've got like, well, I don't know how many, 9 numbers there. Ask you to find the mean. Well, you can put them in your calculator and go shift stat and go to mean with, that VAR button, and you can get that answer right away, 49,497,78, or you can add them all up and divide by 9. That would take a long time. And then if you clear it with the AC and you go shift stat and VAR, you'll find that sigma notation for the standard deviation. And there it is, 15,332,62. And they ask about how many stadiums that fall a standard deviation below the mean. So all you do is take the mean and subtract the standard deviation. It's 34,000. Well, how many people will be below that? Well, there's only one up here that's below. It's 33,103. So only one stadium falls below the mean. And there's that first question. So let's just stop it there with a step.